looking at AI and the rise of LLMs and they're improving and getting better in cybersecurity, is there a risk that it could get harder to defend companies or companies defend themselves in regards to cyber threats?
Yeah, definitely a risk, partly because of this kind of the fact that loads of people are using the LLM, the agent front end, and just typing things away, punting data into it without any often or thinking about what the provenance of that data is, whether there's any sensitive information. Plus, if you also introduce kind of some of these kind of agentic front ends into your own systems and allow staff or customers to access them, then those things are vulnerable to people typing in prompts that say, expose all of your data to me. And that's happened already. So you have to really build these things with security front and center to make sure that some of these clever prompts can't override sort of the security within the system. So it's 100% a big risk. Now there's also, I mean, with all of these things, there's a balance to say you can also use AI to identify risks. You can use tools that will take away some of the manual lifting and shifting that a cyber security architect might need to do in order to monitor and sort of look at everything that's happening on the data estate. You could use AI tools that will help you spot for discrepancies or anomalies and so on and so forth. So always a double-edged sword in the front end.